Hey guys, today I want to talk about student life and how to make it easier. I know university life is such a mess because you have classes, you have homework, you need to socialize, you need to do sports and everything at the same time. So you really need to keep an eye on the tools that can make everything more productive and efficient for you. And today I want to show you 3 ChatGPT plugins that can make your life much smoother. And today I want to start with Aaron Chat PDF here. If you don't have it, just go to plugin store and install it in a few clicks. So let's imagine the professor gave us a huge PDF presentation on climate change, and we need to go through every single slide and extract the needed information. But now we can make it in a few clicks. So here we can say that we need to analyze a PDF file. After the first easy prompt, we will receive a link where we can upload our PDF file. Here we go. We just go to this page, choose a file, presentation, upload. In a few seconds, we will have successful pop-up window right here. Okay. Once it's ready, we need to type down so the chat knows that the previous step was completed. Here we go. So now all the information is already uploaded, and we can say what are the 3 takeaways of the presentation. And just like that, we are ready to be done with our homework assignment. We don't need to go through all of that information anymore. We can just have a summary in a few clicks. As you can see here, it gives us very structured, well-written with bullet points, a little bit of explanation. So we possess all the necessary information. So the next tool that I want to show you, I'm going to start a new chat right here, and I'm going to go to A&B Summarize. Let's imagine we still keep the climate change topic, and our professor sent us a 1.5-hour documentary on YouTube, which is, again, we don't usually have time to watch the whole thing, and now we can just copy and paste link to A&B Summarize plugin that we've created. Once the link is pasted, the plugin is going to analyze the information on the video. Maybe in this case, it might take a few seconds because the video is pretty long, so that is a lot of content to analyze. But once it's done, we can basically do the same thing. We can ask for a short summary information or 3 learnings from the video. Here we go. It already automatically started to give us a short summary. So if you need to know the gist of the video or which parts of that can be more useful for you, you can start with that and then navigate your way through the piece of content that you have. So hopefully it's, again, going to save you a lot of time so you can actually dive into pieces of information that are more important for you. And the last one, I'm going to show you Export Chat PDF. So basically that works in combination with ChatGPT Plus, which has more updated information from the internet. And let's imagine we are still on the topic of climate change and we want to ask, for example, last campaigns on climate change from Greenpeace to have a little bit of perspective from the NGO. So once we are done, it does say that we have data from January 2022, but it still can work. We can say proceed. And here we go. We have a list of a few campaigns, also with a short description, very well written and clear structure of the reply. And when it's done, for example, we need to have it on the presentation and share that with our classmate who we're working in a team on a project. So right now you don't need to copy paste all of that information. You can just type export to PDF. And once it's done, you're going to have a ready file that you can just share either with your professor or with the classmates that you're collaborating with. And I really believe it's going to have a huge impact on your everyday lives, so you don't spend lots of time on some manual tasks and you can actually focus on very important stuff on your life and actually dive deeper into processing the information rather than doing some manual stuff. So really hope those 3 plugins going to save your time. and you're going to be much more efficient in university. In case you run into any problems, please feel free to contact our support team. I'm going to leave the email link in the description below, and good luck with your university life.